Good morning traders. Let's do a quick pre-market view on Nifty for tomorrow using key support and resistance zones. Nifty is currently trading around 25,916, which puts the market near the central pivot zone, not at extremes. This tells us one important thing straight away: tomorrow is likely to be a level-to-level market, not a runaway trend unless a key level breaks. So today's plan will be very rule-based, not emotional. Immediate price structure right now. Market is below R1, 25,993. Market is above S1, 25,877. So Nifty is trading in a range of nearly 120 points. This is a no-trade zone for positional traders. Scalpers and intraday traders will dominate until a breakout happens. We will wait for price acceptance above resistance or below support. Upside levels or bullish scenario. Let's talk about the bullish side first. First resistance, R1, 25,993. If market opens above 25,950 and sustains, and breaks 25,993 with volume, then we can expect fast upside momentum. Next resistance targets, R2, 26,051. R3 26 minute, 109. If R2 breaks, market sentiment turns intraday bullish. Major resistance zone, R4 26 minute, 167. R5 26 minute, 225. R6 26 minute, 283. This entire 26,150, 26,300 zone is a strong supply area. If price reaches here, book profits aggressively unless there is strong news or global support. Bearish levels or downside scenario. Now let's flip the chart. First support, S1, 25,877. If Nifty fails to hold 25,877, especially after the first 30 minutes, then downside pressure may increase. Next support levels, S2 25 minute, 782. S3 25 minute, 697. These are important intraday buy on deep zones, but only if price shows rejection. Deep support zone, S4 25 minute, 602. S5 25 minute, 544. S6 25 minute, 486. If market goes below 25,700, sentiment turns intraday bearish, and panic selling can kick in. Opening scenarios, most important. Let's discuss three possible open scenarios. Scenario 1, gap up open. Above 25,993. Wait for 15-minute hold. Then buy on pullback toward 26,000. Targets, 26,051, 26,109. Scenario 2, gap down open. Below 25,877. Avoid instant selling. Wait for pullback failure. Targets, 25,782, 25,697. Scenario 3, flat, range open, most likely. Market stays between 25,900, 26,000. Expect false breakouts. Best strategy, trade only at levels, not in the middle. Option buyers or sellers. View option buyers. Buy CE only above 26,000. Buy pay only below 25,850. Middle zone equals premium decay. Option sellers. Best zone for sellers, 25,900, 26,050. Expect theta decay if price stays range bound. Risk management rules. Very important rules for tomorrow. No trade in first 5 minutes. Trade only at levels. One losing trade equals stop trading. Avoid revenge trading near R4, S4 zones. Remember, capital protection, profit. Final summary. To summarize, above 26,000 bullish bias. Below 25,877 bearish bias. Between range or scalp market. Don't forget to like and subscribe.